All right. If your documents are scattered everywhere, yeah, it gets messy real fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to organize your Google Docs using folders, so everything stays clean and easy to find. First, go to your Google Drive. This is where all your docs are stored. Now, click New on the top left, then select Folder. Give it a name that matches your content. Use clear names like Work, School, or Projects, so you know exactly what's inside. Next, drag and drop your documents into the folder, or right-click and choose Move To. For better organization, you can create subfolders inside folders, like Clients under Work. You can even color code your folders to make them easier to identify at a glance. Mark important documents with a star so you can find them quickly later. You can always use the search bar to find files instantly, even if you have lots of folders. Take a few minutes now and then to clean up and organize your folders. It keeps everything simple. And yeah, that's how you organize Google Docs with folders. Once it's set up, finding your files becomes super easy.